Hi guys, sorry about the delay for my videos, but today I'm going to make it. And today we're going to make a sound video with my brother Nofan. So please, I hope you enjoy my video. This is a video sound by Homer. What is sound? Sound is a vibration that makes sound. Small particles called molecules vibrate to make sound. Here is a format of how it is done. These are some molecules. How does sound travel? Sound travels in a type of energy made by vibrations. These vibrations create sound waves which move through medium air such as air, water, and wood. When an object vibrates, it causes a movement in the particle of the medium. This movement is called sound waves, and it keeps going until the particle runs out of energy. An object makes, like for example here, an object makes sound. The molecules around it, the air molecules, pass through the air very quickly and goes to the ear. So you can hear what the sound is. Why does sound not travel in space? Sound doesn't travel at all in space. The vacuum of outer space has essentially zero air. So it is because sound is just vibrating air. Space has no air to vibrate and therefore no sound. Like here in this picture. Sound facts. Sound travels much slower than light. Whether in the air or in water, light travels at 186,000 miles per hour per second, whilst sound travels at 770 miles per hour. You often hear the things after you see them. For example, you see the lightning before you hear the thunder. If you ever saw that, you would always see it. Like for example, a firework. Same. If you see the light first, then you hear the light. Then you hear the boom, and we're going to go at that boom. Sound waves. Sound waves travel at the speed of 767 miles per hour, i.e., 1,230 kilometers per hour. Sound waves travel through solid matter such as iron, stone, and steel much faster than it moves through the air. Also, noise tends to go through a liquid media such as water 4 times faster than it travels through the air. Like these are some sound waves. Like if you went to a beach and you smack the water, it's like water waves, but around it you hear the water get splashed. How does sound travel through our mouths? Through your mouth. When people sing, their vocal cords vibrate, creating vibrations in the air molecules. The vibration moves through molecules as waves. Like right now, if you feel your neck, you will feel something vibrating. Those are the vocal cords vibrating. Some words like sh, won't make a sound like sh. Your vocal cords aren't vibrating. These waves are called compression waves because the air molecules are compressed together as sound travels we say sound waves are transmitted like these. Sound pitch. The pitch of a sound is our ear's response to the frequency. Sound. Sounds are higher or lower in pitch according to the frequency of vibration of the sound waves producing them. In fact, our ears detects pitch, not frequency. Like if you say "oh," you see it, you feel the high frequency, not that much. When you say low, oh, you see it more, you feel it more. Sound volume. The volume of a sound is how loud or quiet the sound is. Sound are vibrations that travel through the air. A nail hit hard with a hammer will make a strong vibration, which means it will make a loud sound. Sound source. Sound source means the place from which amplified. If you don't know amplified, it means the place where it's made. Like sound source means the place from which made sound emanates, including without limitation a speaker, loudspeaker, or other sound producing instrument or person. These are everything we no no yeah I forgot. Sound boom. A sonic boom is a sound associated with shock waves created when an object travels through the air faster than the speed of sound. Sonic sonic booms generate enormous amount of energy, sounding similar to an explosion, a thunderclap to a human's ear. A decibel is a primary unit of sound. Sound echo. A echo is a sound that is repeated because the sound waves are reflected back. Sound waves can bounce hard objects off smooth hard objects in the same way as rubber ball bounces off the ground. Like for example, the if you're in a mall, when you say something very loudly, the molecules bounce off something. Like here's the person, it says something, it bounces off like on this picture. Something similar to that, it bounces off and comes back to you. Although the direction of sound changes, the echo sounds the same as the original sound. Okay, so revise. You can take a picture of this with a PRTSC. Okay. Task. Make a science experiment about sound, e.g., the classic paper cup and string phone. Make a music with a straw pan flute. Make a stick harmonica. Then try, if you don't know, look on Google, transfer it on the into a link, then send it in the comments below. I hope you loved my video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and do a like on my video. Share too. Bye. Bye.